Hello guys, maupay nga adlaw. This time mag-uupod ko kamo to a place called Cinque Terre. So Cinque Terre, it's in the Italian Riviera. It's in Italy, and it's a series of villages nga seaside. And I really like the place, and I wanted to share it with everyone. Kay it made me really miss Catbalogan. Kay that place, it's near the sea, and this is how it looks. And like we stayed in a village called Rio Maggiore, and it's a very quaint seaside Italian village, very quiet, and there's a lot of stairs in this area. Kaya tendency is to build like along the cliffs, and to get there they would like have stairs to get to the hotels, to get to the homes, and this is usually the view. Like you could view the sea, and again, it reminded me so much of Catbalogan, and it's been a while since I've seen the sea or been close to the sea. So, ini nga trip to this place was really special for me. So again, this is the Rio Maggiore side. It's one of the 5 villages, and look at that food. It's very well known for seafood as well. And Amania and Magan Marina or Bay Area and Rio Maggiore. And in all honesty, we have better beach in the Philippines. Pero parang, I mean, in Europe, this is like one of the better ones that I've seen. Kaya very swimmable in water, and you can see like people really go into the water, sunbathing hira. They really enjoy the vibe. So very nice, and I really like the architecture as well. For me, it's very unique. Siguro for Italians, they're very used to it. Pero for me, I really find it fascinating looking at the alfresco colored buildings. And from that village, the first village, I did a hike. I think it was a 1-hour hike to the next village, which is called Manarola. So asyanit iya itsurahan iya seaside, very blue waters. Kung maaram lang ako lumangoy, malangay ako. Pero very nice. And this is the endpoint and hike. It's a place called Manarola. It's the second village ngaging kaduan. So in Ninga village naman, the second village we're going to is a village called Manarola. So time talaga ini nga pagkadi, so that maabot kita around sunset. Kay it's said nga ang best sunset within the Cinque Terre villages ay ang dinhiha Manarola. So this is how it looks like. Again, cliffside buildings by the cliff. People jump off the cliffs as well. They really enjoy the water. Nagsa-sunbathe hira around the rock formations there, and if you could like watch it from afar as well. They would have like seated areas that would overlook this view here, and you can drink, you can like have food, and like afar, like ansya to pinaka-wide view nga. I wish we had a drone shot, pero I don't have a drone. Pero this is how it looks from far away, and then that's having a good beer at the end of the day. And yeah, that was Manarola. Really nice sunset. And then on the next day, we're going by train. In between trains, parang 5 minutes la, you could go from one village to another. Best seafood for this one, we went to the second village called Vernaza. I don't know. Dili ko niya lugar. Pero it's the third Cinque Terre. This is how it looks. An iya parang swimming area. Like boats docked by the pier, and people just chilling by the sun, having coffee, having good food. Very relaxed la niya. And then the fourth Cinque Terre village, this is called Monterazza. Ini naman is, ansya niyan, bagan base sa tunga Disney Pixar movie ng Luca. So, siya niya view, very nice. Damo ang mga kids, kaya I think mas swimmable for kids in nga area, mas dako ang beach, and then ang village center, this is how it looks like. Very, very nice architecture and look of the buildings, very cinematic. I really liked it. Yeah, this is like the backdrop han hadto nga movie kanina nga Luca. Yeah, this is the last Cinque Terre village that we went to. Anshatun view, anshatun train yung nag-run along. And yeah, this was very nice as well. Dako hiya swimming area, Monteraza. So very nice as well. Look at that water. Anshala guys, thank you for watching.